This is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to choose a different keyboard on your Samsung or Android phone. So you can just go to the Google Play Store right here, go to search and type in keyboard. And there's many different keyboards you can download and try. So I downloaded like the neon one before, but most common one is the Gboard. This is probably going to be the best one. But let's try this big keyboard easy home screen and install this one. And when you install these new keyboards, you can switch them out pretty easily. I'll show you to do that in a second. So I can just open this up, then go to continue.
Set big
right
keyboard.
Here.
Easy as default to continue.
So let's go to the easy keyboard right here, and then we can just enable this right here.
Enable big keyboard to continue.
Okay, so this is going to be turned on. You might have to disable the other keyboards too. So we can go to settings.
Allow notification.
Don't allow. And I'm not sure what the rest of this stuff is. Wait less program. So I think I have it set up. I shouldn't need the rest of this. And a lot of these just come with a lot of bloatware ads and stuff, so it's annoying. So we can just open this up. Looks like I got the neon one on there still. So we can go to the top right, go to settings, going down to system. Now that we have it downloaded, go to keyboard, on-screen keyboard, and then just disable all the other ones. So let's go to okay. So I want this one on. And I don't want this one on, okay. So I can see it's still turned on, so I can go back, go to this. I guess this is the one. It looks like it's really big. So that's that keyboard. So I'm just going to disable the other ones. Go back to system. I think I like the Gboard the most, so I'll just go back to that one, the default one. So where's system, find system. And go back to your keyboard settings, so I can just type it in here to keyboard, on screen. So let's turn on the Gboard and turn off this one. And that one should be turned on. I can see it's on. Go back here. And now we're back to the Gboard. Okay, we're good. So look at that as an option. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe my channel down below.